Let's go camping!
Today, the forest friends are going on a fun camping trip.
Come on, let's go!
Okay, Duda.
Pinkar, go, go!
What's taking them so long? Do they have any idea what time it is?
What time is it?
Look up! They're coming!
Wow!
Why are you guys so late?
Sorry.
Dada, hurry, hurry! Let's get this camping started!
Wow!
Yeah.
All the tents are up and ready. Wow! The night sky seems prettier when we're camping.
Let's hurry and roast some sausages over the fire.
My tummy's a rumbling. Sausages! Who is in charge of them?
Ahem. I've kept them well hidden for just this moment.
Feed me!
Just hang on. What? Where are they? I swear I put them here and covered them with a palm-shaped leaf.
But there are palm-shaped leaves everywhere. How are we going to find them?
They're not over here. Where are they? Where are they?
Scott! Where are the sausages? Oh, I'm starving. Scott, did you hide them so you could eat them by yourself again? Again? So you're saying this isn't the first time Scott has hidden food away?
Yeah, a while ago. It was the day we first met Duda.
You're right. Scott hid the cookies so he could have them for himself.
No, that's not what happened.
That's not what happened. I know you ate them all, Scott.
Hear me out. I'll tell you what really happened that day. Stop following me!
Aw, Scott.
Just one bite!
Never! Get away!
Pretty, please.
Let's go!
Wait for us.
I think I've lost them. Wow! My yummy, mouth-watering snacks! I have to hurry and hide them. I'll hide them and eat them all by myself.
See? You did hide the cookies for yourself, Scott.
Yes, Scott!
No! I put them in a safe place so we could all eat them together later.
Where did you hide the food this time, Scott?
I looked everywhere, but no sausages.
Duda, the cookies that I hid in the ground then. That's right. It was you that ate them all.
The cookies you hid in the ground? Aha! I remember those cookies.
That's right. Duda was the one who ate them all. So maybe Duda ate all the sausages this time, too.
Really? Duda? Me?
Yeah, right. Come to think of it.
The day we first met Duda.
What's that? What's that? Whoa! What's this? Wowee!
Hide them, hide them. I must hide them.
It's yummy! Wow! There must be a lot of yummy things like this up there.
What? My cookies are gone. My cookies are gone. Oh, they're gone. They're gone. They're gone. My cake is gone too. Who did this? Tell me now.
Wait, so you're saying that your cake has disappeared?
And my cookies, my candy, they're all gone. Bubble, where were you earlier?
You don't think I took your snacks, do you?
Piggy, Puggy, where were you guys?
It wasn't me!
But why did you put your snacks in the ground?
Because I wanted them all to myself.
What did you say?
Nothing. I didn't say anything.
If none of us took Scott's snacks, then maybe someone who lives underground did.
Like a monster?
Monster!
Don't be silly. There's no such thing as monsters. What is it?
I don't see anything.
I'm sure of it. There was something here.
Bubble, are you seeing things again?
Over there.
What? Oh, there's nothing.
Oh, that's strange. This time is for real.
Stop lying!
Really, over there, something's there.
What's there? What is it?
It's moving.
It's alive. It's alive.
Pull it out. Pull it out. Scott, grab it and pull it out.
Yeah, since you're the bravest, you should pull it out, Scott.
I guess you're right, but... you guys...
Oh, my eyes. Wait, hold on.
Who are you?
Hello, I'm Duda.
Where did you come from? Do you live underground?
Yup. Underground? Wow, that's so cool. I'm Bubble.
And I'm Caber.
Here it is! My cookie! So you took my cookies, didn't you?
Cookies? What are cookies?
Cookies are super sweet, crunchy munchy, and delicious!
Oh, I know. This guy was reading cookies before.
Yes, that's right! My cookies, where are they?
In here.
You ate all of my cookies?
Yeah, and... I found this, too.
That's
a cake.
So you call this a cake?
It's my cake! Give it to me!
No, it's
I gotcha! My yummy cake! Oh no! I'm stuck! Help me!
How did you get in there?
What are you doing?
What in the world?
Everyone pull!
Oh, he's really stuck.
What is this place? This place? It's the unknown forest. The unknown forest?
It's a secret place where a lot of fun things happen. The unknown forest.
Wow! So awesome! Fun things happen. I'm gonna discover all of them. Yeah, let's discover them together.
Yeah, because...
We are friends. Friends, best friends forever, and friends always share their cookies with each other.
What are you talking about, Bubble? I didn't even get one crumb! Not nice, not nice!
Because Scott hid the cookies, we were able to meet Duda for the first time. Scott, thank you.
Huh? You're welcome. No!
Scott, I'm sorry.
Duda, who are you? I found them! The sausages! Oh yeah, I had hung them on a tree this time.
Oh, Scott, you're becoming more forgetful than I am. But how are we going to get them down?
Piggy and Puggy can get them down.
Scott, thanks for the grub.
Yeah, thanks, Scott.
Our sausages! Piggy Puggy, come back here! Friends are supposed to share! We're friends, remember?
The day the unknown forest friends first met Duda was a very fun and happy day.